We have many beautiful places in this world. Among these places are some naturally amazing places. Iguazu Falls is one of the most amazing natural places. In today's episode, we will learn more about Iguazu Falls and see why thousands of tourists visit this fall every year. Iguazu Falls are waterfalls of the Iguazu River on the border of the Argentine province of Misiones and the Brazilian state of Paraná. The falls divide the river into the upper and lower Iguazu. The Iguazu River rises near the heart of the city of Curitiba. Most of the falls are on the Argentine side. Below its confluence with the San Antonio River, the Iguazu River forms the border between Argentina and Brazil. These falls experience a humid subtropical climate with abundant precipitation and high temperatures. The most famous and impressive of these is the Devil's Throat, which is a U-shaped waterfall that is 82 meters high, 150 meters wide, and 700 meters long. The Iguazu Falls are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and are considered one of the new 7 wonders of nature. Both Brazilian and Argentinian sides offer spectacular views and experiences, but they provide different perspectives of the falls. The Brazilian side offers panoramic views of the falls and allows visitors to get closer to the Devil's Throat. The Argentinian side provides a more up-close and immersive experience with the falls, including access to trails that lead to various viewpoints. The area surrounding the falls is a tropical rainforest known as the Atlantic Forest, which is rich in biodiversity. It is home to various species of birds, mammals and plants, including toucans, jaguars and orchids. Boat tours are offered on both sides of the falls. These tours take visitors close to the base of the falls for a thrilling experience. Several hiking trails on both sides offer different views and perspectives of the falls and the surrounding nature. The area is a paradise for birdwatchers due to the diverse bird species that inhabit the region. The Iguazu Falls experiences a humid subtropical climate with abundant precipitation and high temperatures year-round. During the summer of 2006, a severe drought caused the Iguazu River to become diminished, reducing the amount of water flowing over the falls to 300 cubic meters per second until early December. This was unusual, as dry periods normally last only a few weeks. The period with the greatest volume of water flowing over the falls is usually December to February, coinciding with one of the periods of greatest rainfall. The best time to visit Iguazu Falls is during the dry season, which runs from May to September. During this time, the water flow is more impressive and the weather is cooler. Both the Brazilian and Argentinian sides of the falls are easily accessible by air, with airports located in Foz do Iguazu and Puerto Iguazu. Additionally, the falls can be reached by road from major cities in both countries. Iguazu Falls is a breathtaking natural wonder that offers visitors a unique and unforgettable experience. Whether you choose to explore the Brazilian side or the Argentinian side, you are sure to be amazed by the sheer beauty and power of the falls and the surrounding natural environment.